So with the same principle, we can write a program that calculate the sum of the first n positive numbers. So to do this, so let's first save this as, and I'm gonna name this sum.py. Then I'm going to change this to sum and program to compute the sum of the first n natural numbers, right? So please enter a positive whole number, and this time I need to have an accumulator called total, not factor, and then I need to start from 0. So accumulator for the sum should start from 0. So as far as the range goes, it's quite simple. I need to go from 0 to n. Now it depends on whether I want to include n or not. If I want to do n inclusive, I need to go up to n plus 1, right? So remember this from here. So if I want to say list of range, say I want to go from 0 to 10, if I just say 10, it will actually go 0 to 9. If I want to go 0 to 10, I have to say 10 plus 1 or 11 in that case, right? So with this, I have a range from n, range from 0 to n plus 1. Then I have to say total is total plus I. Not remember, I will take on every value that is in this list. So the sum of the first n numbers is total, and first n, let's say natural numbers is this. Okay, so let's go ahead and say python sum.py. So first 5, the sum of the first 5 positive numbers is 0. So there's clearly a problem here because I want to make sure this is the plus. Okay, one more time. It's okay to have problems or errors in the program as long as we know how to fix them. So the sum of the first 5 natural numbers is 15. Looks good. How about the first 9 is 45? How about the first 10 is 55? So it looks okay. So you can go ahead and try this on your own.